read it.
I'll try. I'm not as good as y'all at
Don't
stories.
just read it.
Am I there?
All right,
I'm
this
sure
is
she
an
will.
Australian court docket case of a pregnant lady. It said a lady about 8 months pregnant got on a bus. She noticed the man opposite her was smiling at her, so she immediately moved to another seat. This time, the smile turned into a grin, so she moved again. The man seemed more amused. When on the fourth move, the man burst out laughing. She complained to the driver and had the man arrested. The case came up in court. The judge asked the man was about 20 years old, what he had to say for himself. The man replied, "Well, Your Honor, it's like this. When the lady got on the bus, I couldn't help but notice her condition. She sat down under a sign that said the double mint twins are coming, and I grinned. Then she moved and sat under a sign that said Logan's liniment will reduce the swelling, and I had to smile." Oh, it gets worse. It said, then she placed herself under a deodorant sign that said, "William's big stick did the trick." And I could hardly contain myself. But, My Honor, when she moved the fourth time and sat under a sign that said Goodyear rubber could have prevented this accident, I just lost it. Case dismissed.
It said under another sign that said Goodyear could read.
No, Goodyear rubber could have prevented this accident.
And I just lost it. That's why I kept laughing
He
at
said,
it.
you're gonna have to read it slowly for him again. He didn't get it at all.
I don't hear
Now,
that
this
well.
one I want to